In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Stripe, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. First, let's head on over to the Stripe website. If you haven't used Stripe before, they provide an amazing platform for handling online payments and building financial infrastructure to grow your revenue. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look towards the top corner of the page and you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your login information. Enter your email and password carefully. They're crucial, as mistyping could cause a delay since you'll need to access your Stripe dashboard. After entering your details, click Sign In. This action will lead you directly into the Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, navigate over to the Home section. The home page is your primary control panel where you can manage all aspects of your Stripe account. Now let's proceed to the Payments section. Here's where the magic happens. Find the option labeled Payment Links and select it. This is a significant feature as it allows you to create a simple online checkout experience. In the Payment Links section, you'll see an option to add product. This step is crucial because it involves specifying what exactly you're offering your customers. After you add your product, you'll have some select options to consider. Take a moment to review these choices. They include details such as pricing, which helps in customizing the experience to meet your business needs. Next, click on Advanced Options. Even if you're not a technical guru, exploring advanced settings can be beneficial. Within this menu, you'll find additional select options for customization, catering to more complex needs like customer emails or specific billing details. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Pay. This doesn't initiate a transaction but rather finalizes your configuration. Now you're one click away from completion. Go ahead and click Create Link. This action seals the deal as Stripe generates a unique payment link for your product or service. Finally, click on Payment Link. Clicking this opens the payment link in a new window or tab, showing you exactly what your customers will see when they click through to make their payment. And that's it. You've now created a professional, seamless payment link that you can share with customers, making it easier for them to pay and for you to get paid. This tool not only simplifies transactions, but also enhances the customer experience by reducing friction in the payment process. That wraps up our guide on creating a payment link in Stripe. Remember, Stripe's tools are designed to be flexible. Feel free to explore them further.